It's your girl, Baby Blue, aka E. Jamaican hot y'all, representing. I have some boy them love chat off them out, you know. They give them a touch and them gonna tell them friend, them gonna tell them why. But you know what I talk about when they do? Yeah. Well, it's an answer on any man to trust. When they give them afterward, they go and go. As they get it in chat the same time. Chat go or you kill me with the wine. You should have chat say you ring me out right and you never leave back none for overnight. When you catch me and tell me I'm a sweeter, tell me I'm a something taste like meter. Go on the corner and talk about your teeth when me know say you a go underneath. Then you a come call up my name like say you want use it for fame. Remember me I go down on the lane and tell you all of them see me and make him feel boy you lame. And you want him, she ain't little coming look like a sugar cane. You think say me da go back down oh? Well, me nah back down no. Well, me nah back down no. Well, me nah back down oh. First, you tell me to pick it up by you because you want to rub it up to something. You tell me to you nah stop. Thereafter, yeah, bring me back again. You know say. But never does it talk, but you really get across. Know everything you do that I did not talk. Everything you do to me, boy. I talk, me say, boy, you really leave man, you waffle. TMT, you live up on my Gucci like a sugar. Here, you think, say, me da go back down, oh. Well, me nah back down now. Boy, you really leave man, you want TMT, you live up on my Gucci like a sugar. Here, you think, say, me da go back down, oh. Well, me nah back down now. Well, me nah back down now. Well, me nah back down, oh. Yeah, me never da go really talk, me never da go really talk. But you really get me cross, but you really get me cross. Yeah.
Baby Blue! Baby Blue! Baby Blue! Come for the interview. Let the audience worldwide get to know a bit more about Baby Blue. So Baby Blue, where are you from?
I'm from Kingston, Jamaica, of course.
Baby Blue is from Kingston, Jamaica. So what is your next move in your musical career?
Well, as you can, well, to get first off, to get to know Baby Blue, well, Baby Blue has already a few songs out there on the market already, you understand me? So if you guys want to go and check out about my music, you can go on Baby Blue, Vivo, that's on YouTube. I'm also on Audio Mark and Spotify, you can go and check out the song then. Okay, how far I see myself couple years from now? Well, may I expect to see myself a tour. May I give myself at least around 5 years because you know some people that say 5 years long, you know, but when I really check it out, you know, they believe 5 years time come. So you just have to continue to put in the work on a daily basis. You understand? Because and we never want to go to school now more, so we just have to put in the work. You understand me? And 5 years, may I give myself because I know so we can be better by then. Yeah.
Alright, my final question for you is, which artist in the industry inspire you?
Music itself is inspiration, you know. And everybody has their own different inspiration of how they carry across it by their own perspective. So, I love music in general. From one song when I love, I just have to listen to it and vibes to it. I just love music. But, you know, we have Cartels here where we have to do Crowns here and Whitney Houston and all of them big artists the same way.
Okay, so locally it is the teacher and internationally it would have been Whitney Houston.